So the next use case that you could use list for is project management. And again, we already provided the template for you, so it's easy to manage project management. A little bit of a wording joke, but if we go with list, we can go with any kind of icon again, right? I'm just going to use this one and then call this project management. And then we can say projects, or we can even call this simplified tasks, right? I will leave live and hide all items as is. And then from the template, we can use project tracker. And if we're going to take a look at what we create, then you can see it's being added at the bottom of the list. And then we can take a look at the fields. So the fields are as following. First, we have the task, then we have the bot user. If you don't have need to add a bot user towards the specific task, then you can also just say, okay, I can disable this entirely, or I'm just going to delete it because this is an internal project management list and you can use it as such as well. Then we have the status, we have the rating, so the priority most likely, and you can see with the rating itself, you can have it 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars. So that could be the priority overview. It would not be my personal my personal selection for a priority, but it is possible, right? And for the status, you can see in the drop down that we have the not started, in progress, blocked, and done. Then we have the agent assignment, really important as well to be able to assign a certain task. We have the description, and then we also have the due date. So when does this task need to be due? Again, you can have everything enabled and basically adjust it towards your own preferences. But if we say close and we're taking a look at the views, then the views look like this. So we have the assigned to me, we have the done. So basically this can, as you can see, will be a table and it's not really grouped by anything, right? So that is a specific one. We can also go with not done. So any task that is not marked as done will then be listed here. And you can also go with a status overview, and that gives this dashboard again. If you prefer a table, you can of course do so as well. So that means that you can now assign certain tasks to certain people. And you can do that again just from the live chat and then tickets, just as easy. From here, you can just say add item, or we can also go with the status, right? Doesn't really matter. First and foremost, select the correct list. And then from here, you can go with the status or anything that you like to. Add item. And then we could say create a course on tickets. Then the status will be not started, or in this case in progress, because I'm currently recording it. Could say priority is really, really high. And then we could go with the description, record a series of step-by-step videos on how tickets work and function. Something like this. The assignee, of course, will be set to me. And then the due date, we can pick from a nice calendar overview. Let's say I'm going to finish the entire course, trying to record it in 1 single day. I'm going to say save. And if we press save, it should now go under the in progress section. You can see the priority, which is actually a nice touch to see the priority with the stars, which is a nice view as well. And as mentioned, we can just also add a new view. So let's see if we can set up a view based on priority. So let's go with add view. Let's say call this task priority. Let's go with a table, that's fine. And then let's say group by priority and sort by priority descending. I will leave everything as is and then say save. Let's see what we get, right? As you can see, you then get a nice overview of the task priority from 1 star, 2 star, and 3 star with the highest priority at the bottom. You can also, of course, switch. So if we go towards boards, how would that look like? then you can see that you will get 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, really, really important stuff, right? So you can use project management inside of the list, inside of the ticket section of the platform as well, to basically skip the need of Trello or any other project management system.